Hey, so I don't know who needs to hear this message, but if you want to be my cousin, DM me because I am starting my family from scratch. But if you guys are wondering, this is an eyebrow stamp that I'm using. And let me just show you really quick because unlike other eyebrow stamps, look how many stencils. Look how many stencils it comes with. It is crazy, and it was super, super, super cheap. Whoa, I mean like tons of stencils. Super cheap from Amazon. I posted it in my, this product in my actual group that I have on Facebook. It's in a deals group that is a bunch of Amazon deals and stuff. It's called Espoce. Look, when you open it, it pops out this sponge. And I actually think I grabbed the wrong size stencil because I got to move it. But I need both of them matching. So we're going to go ahead and just continue using this. So all you do is stamp, stamp, stamp. And you can see, look at that. I don't think I got the right color. If you're wondering what color this is in the color number 3. But I think I needed one shade darker. See that? It doesn't look bad, especially once you get a spoolie and kind of go through it. It's just lighter than I need. But it's super easy, and if you have a hard time putting on your eyebrows, I mean, look, they're even. You know, you can even change it up and get a smaller one or a more sharp one. It looks good. This was in the color number 3. I would imagine that I need a color number 2. Super, super cheap. Check out my Facebook. I will have my Amazon group there with all these like amazing deals. I think this was like under $10. So really, really cool. Super easy. And always, they look like sisters now.